Hi everybody. As I updated you today morning that it is raining in Bangalore due to cyclone, the same continues for now also. In this rain itself, I had come to my bank and I found that there is some strike going on in bank. And I was just waiting there and looking people over there. They were all going so unhappily from that bank due to various reasons. Few people had come from very far off places, and few people, they were in very in need of money, so they couldn't draw the money as there was a bank strike. So when I was just looking into all these things, I found a thought came into my mind. So many people going with a kind of unhappiness or negative thought from the bank. So when I saw this, I just remembered something in my mind. So I am here to share that thought with you all. This is Shilpa, your NLP and Mind Coach. If you people haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. So what was that thought that came into my mind when I saw these people going very unhappily or depressed or with a negative thought? What thought that came into my mind was that whenever there is a negative thought that is coming up in our mind, that negative thought sends a messenger or a message through neuropeptide. Now what is this neuropeptide? Neuro, as we all know, it is a cell in our nervous system in the brain, and neuropeptide is a kind of protein that is generated from our neurons. So through this neuropeptides, that negative thought or information is carried as a messenger to our immune system or WBC. WBCs are nothing but white blood corpuscles. So this negative information reaches the immune system, and depending upon the thought, it suppresses our immune system, or it makes our immune system to overreact, or it may also make our immune system confused. So if our immune system gets suppressed, what happens in this scenario? Nowadays we see there are more number of cases during the pregnancy time. There is a lot of miscarriages we will be hearing nowadays. So whenever such thing happen, most of the ladies, they tend to get this TB, and they suffer from many other diseases. So one such reason for this TB suffering is that their immune system, due to these negative scenarios, gets suppressed, and it leads to TB. Not only that, when there are a lot of overreactions happening in our immune system, this may also lead to allergies, cancers, and so on. Not only that, when it is in a confused state, it may also lead to psychoneuroimmunology also. So it becomes very important for us to keep our mind with a positive thoughts, so that it doesn't affect our immune system. Not only this, there is a connection between our brain and our gut. Yes, this connection, whatever is there in our brain and the gut, will also make this gut bacteria, the bacteria that is a friendly bacteria present in our gut, which helps to keep our digestive system healthy. It has some effect on our gut bacteria also. So whenever there is a negative thought that is induced in our brain, it sends a message to this gut bacteria also, and when the message is received by the gut bacteria, the bacteria also starts reacting in the same 3 ways. It may get confused, it may get confused, or it may overreact, or it may also get suppressed. So whenever these gut bacteria get overreacted, there are chances of loose motions that is happening. So this is a reason when you eat lot of junk foods, or the food that is easily not digested by your digestive system, you tend to suffer from either constipation or from loose motions. Constipations usually happen because whenever the gut bacteria are suppressed, it leads to constipation. And if these gut bacteria overreact, this leads to loose motions. And not only that, if there is a reduction in this gut bacteria, it may also lead to typhoid. So whenever these gut bacteria reduce in our digestive system or intestine, there are chances of people suffering from typhoid. This is one reason when somebody is suffering from typhoid, doctors advise them to take curd rice more, because it contains this friendly bacteria which can be produced when we consume curd rice in our body. So if your gut is good, then your gut feeling will be good. You will be very much confident in doing things. Not only that, to certain extent your intuition also works. So you know now the reason why people have intuition and how does it work. This is the secret behind it. So keep up your thoughts always positive. Whatever may be the situation, it is always in your control, the way you react to it. Hope this video has been helpful to you people. If that is so, then please like, share and comment. With a new information in my another video, I will get back to you people very soon. Till then, stay tuned to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.